Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a nice new year. It's 1-3 for me today, but you'll be seeing this a little bit in the future. I just want to go into systems and optimization because those are the two things I feel like I specialize in because those are the two things that I think about what has my experience given me my entire life. And I don't have a fancy degree or nothing like that, but these are the two things that I'm obsessed with is systems and it's optimization. So I'm going to define systems and I'm going to define optimization and I'm going to talk about it. And this is going to be a high level overview of it because I'm using ChatGPT just to get it done today because I'm trying to just move it along. And I read back the conversation I had with it, and it's very I am very pleased with it. So let's just hop right into it. Systems and optimization. Why should you care? Because if you're running a YouTube channel, you are running a system and you need to optimize it. So this is very important to go over, even if it is just review. So let's hop right into it. Um, a system is a set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network. So um, all parts of a system, your fingers, your hands, your elbows, everything in your body is a part of the human body, which is a system. A YouTube channel, from idea iteration to content creation to shooting the video to organizational structure for your videos, all these are systems, and they're all microsystems coming together because, like, no system, a system is usually made up of a bunch of other systems. So they're like cells, like in a body. Okay, so now all of these systems need to work together to achieve a goal. So then how you get a goal is it's very simple. You write down what you want. I want to be monetized on YouTube. Boom. And when you do that and you write that down, your brain sees that and it starts spitting solutions out at you because that's a part of your system. Um, but the only way to get monetized on YouTube is systems have to then be created and they have to be optimized because if your first system doesn't get you monetized, your brain needs to be like, you know what I mean? That is what a system is for, or that is what the optimization is for. So systems and optimization is very, very important if you want to make it on YouTube. So it just goes into a system, a set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network. So expansion, a system can be almost anything composed of interconnected parts that influence one another. Okay, so this can refer to like physical systems, or like I said, your inventory system for your content can affect your thumbnail system, can affect your upload system, can affect your titling system, can affect all these. All these things interconnect and affect each other. This refers to physical systems like the circulatory system in the human body, abstract systems like a computer's operating system, or social systems like an organization structure. Example: biological system, human body's nervous system, with neurons and synapses communicating to coordinate bodily functions. Technological system, a software platform that includes various modules. Example: A content management system. Like I said, yeah, or organizational system, companies, departments that interact, like HR, sales, and operations, forming a whole enterprise. Optimization, sorry, the action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or resource. Expansion optimization involves evaluating current conditions or resources and identifying ways to improve their utilization, often by reducing waste, minimizing costs, or maximizing output. Methods can be as simple as rearranging a schedule to increase productivity, or as complex as using advanced algorithms to optimize large scale processes. Examples: process optimization, streamlining production in a factory to reduce waste and speed up manufacturing. Resource optimization, allocating employees' budgets or materials in the most effective way possible for a project. Algorithmic optimization, using mathematical techniques, example, linear programming, machine learning, to optimize route planning, scheduling, or data analysis. So blah, 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 blah. Okay? And then I said, and this can be achieved through rules because that's part two. And the most important part is, so systems, all systems operate on a rule. So like a rule is like, if a cell does not have enough water inside of it, it dies. If a cell has too much water in it, it dies. So those are rules or constraints. So that means it has to be X amount of water, but that is a rule. So for instance, if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you need to post, and that would be like post videos. That would be like the most simple rule that I can think of off the top of my head. So systems and optimization often involve applying rules, principles, or constraints. That's what a rule is. It's just a constraint. You cannot do this, usually. Principles, whatever, or to guide how each components should behave or how resources should be allocated. In other words, rules help define what better or most effective means with a given context, and they provide a framework for making decisions that lead to improvement. So here's a few examples: business or organizational rules. In a company, policies and procedures rules might dictate how tasks are prioritized, how budgets are approved, or how staff are assigned to projects. By following these rules consistently, organizations can reduce errors and improve efficiency. Okay, so there's the one. I ran out of time, so like I'll just kind of chill here. You can pause, so you guys can read the rest of this if you want. But still, like systems and optimization are based on rules. So the better you can impose self rules on yourself, the more systematized and the better optimized you will be as a content creator. So I hope this helps. If so, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.